Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on one beautiful 1980 Chevrolet El Camino. Man, this thing is pretty. The body and paint are absolutely stunning. This truck was put together with extreme care. Sitting on a set of Keystone, brand new Keystone wheels with BF Goodrich Radio TA raised white letters. I know some of you guys are gonna say, oh, I don't like them Keystones. You know, I put 2 or 3 other sets of wheels on this car and just nothing looked as good as these Keystones do. I'm not a huge fan of Keystones myself, but man, they really look good on this vehicle. Car, truck, whatever you wanna call it. This has a GM Crate 350 engine, approximately 400 horsepower, 375, 400 horsepower is usually what them Crate 350s are. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes on the front, factory air conditioning, new AC compressor. There is a file in this truck with over $15,000 to $20,000. I know I found 15 at least. Probably more than that, probably more like $20,000 worth of receipts of things that were done to it. And you can just see, get up close and personal with it. The paint is gorgeous. Underneath the hood is just as stunning as well. Bottom side of the hood's painted just like the outside of the car. I don't know, I call it car, truck, whatever you guys want to call it, but very, very nicely built. I also seen the transmission was overhauled, the rear end was overhauled, like I say, the crate engine, you can see it's got a new AC compressor on it. Just absolutely beautiful. Aluminum radiator, electric fan. I don't think they come any sharper than this. Dash is in nice shape. The clip is missing on my window crank and I was trying to push it back on. Them things can be kind of a bear sometimes. The jams are beautiful as well. Aftermarket JVC, little tripod of gauges down below. Here's the file full of parts, original owner's manuals in here, and just a lot of invoices and receipts in there. Remote for the radio, some wheel locks for your lug nuts if you want to put locks on them. Here, look at the jams. That's just how nice this whole thing is. Headliner, visors, dome light. Got some speakers back there behind the seat. Nice bed mat in it. Painted just as nice underneath that bed mat as it is on the inside of the bed. They did a fine job on this. Has a little tear right here in the seat. About the only thing I can fault on the interior as well. 77,000 miles shown on the odometer. Runs great. Had to fix the horn. Wipers work. Not sure which button turns this radio on. One of them probably does. I know it works. I listened to it one time. Left turn. Sounds great too. Dual exhaust. AC compressor kicks on. The indicator in the dash must be, the bulb must be bad. It don't flash on the inside, it works just fine on the outside. So. Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, I didn't see the invoice for the paint in there, but if you had to have it painted, I bet you're looking at 12 to 15 grand just to do the paint and body work on it. I'll put it up on the hoist here in a little bit and I'll show you the undercarriage. Look how straight it is. There's nothing to hide. Beautiful. Turn signals all work, headlights all work. Air blows cold. Got great oil pressure. 50 pounds at an idle. Okay, that's pretty darn good. Drives very nice. Steering's nice and tight. Brakes work good. Man, this thing is really nice and tight. Very well built. Fun to drive. I love this thing. Seats are always so comfortable in these. They're more comfortable than my brand new Ford 450. Pull in here and give you a little walk around.